Hello, welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry and I am an independent consultant for Close to My Heart. And today we're going to be working on Project 2 or Layout 2 of Chelsea Gardens. The Chelsea Gardens Workshop Your Way is G1149. I normally will show you the full paper pack and what comes with it, but I got ahead of myself this time and I cut it all up before I went, uh-oh. So, what comes with your Chelsea Gardens Workshop Your Way kit is a full pack of Chelsea Gardens paper pack, a full pack of the complements, which in this complements you get stickers, and then you also get chipboard pieces. Now these chipboard pieces are not adhesive. I thought they were. I tried to peel back the backing on one of them and quickly realized it's not adhesive. So they're chipboard. And sometimes they're a little bit difficult to take out, so just be very, very careful with these. With my complements, I went ahead and did something a little bit extra. And you may do this with your shimmer brush if you choose to, but because I was doing the full sheet, I have a product that I have fallen in love with called Sheer Shimmer Spritz in the color Sparkle. I get it from Amazon. It's about $6 a bottle. You can use the shimmer brush, but because I was doing so much, I decided to just throw these in my spray box and spray them. And it just gives everything, and I'm going to try and show you on this one. I think you might be able to see it on that piece right there. Just a tiny little sheen of sparkle. And I wanted to do that with everything on here. So I went ahead and sprayed everything down. You get 5 cardstock sheets, 2 pewter, and 3 white daisy. You get a set of the Chelsea Gardens Dots and Gems, and you get a roll of the cream ribbon. Now this cream ribbon is ribbon that we haven't seen before. It's very neutral. It's almost like a linen. Very, very neutral, very, very textured. I want to try and take a little piece and dye it with the inks and see how that works out, but I haven't tried it yet. Again, the kit is G1149. There are a few new items that comes with the kit that I want to show you. First off is a printed, yes, you heard me, a printed workshop guide that comes in your kit. You no longer have to print it off. You still can download it. It's still available for download, but you will also get a copy in your kit. And let me show you the difference between a home printed version and the professionally printed version. Can you see the difference? I can tell which paper this is. I can tell immediately that this is the linen paper without having to look down here. I can see that this is the sticker. I can see the complements a lot easier. When you're doing your cuts, it's easier to see the paper on the cuts. It's just more vibrant. I'm very, very happy that they decided to put the printed instructions back in the kit. And then the other item that is new, that I am so, so happy is available to you guys, is photo placement cards. They are now putting an entire set of what you need for the workshop in the workshop. So now it opens up an option for you to where you can do the workshop with us, and if you don't have the photos immediately, you don't have to have the photos, because this will tell you where the photos go. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and do all the workshops, and then I put them in a 12 by 12 bucket that I get at Michael's, or, you know, one of those little memory keeper buckets you get like $3.99 at Michael's. And I put them all in there, and then I like to take the finished layouts that don't have any photos on them. I like to take the layouts to retreats, and then I just sit there and throw all my photos where they go. And then I feel accomplished at my retreat because I'm like, hey, I got 107 layouts done. And really all I did was put the photos down. It's a little bit of a cheat, but I'll take a cheat. So we're going to take the photo placement cards and put them aside. The first thing I do when I'm working is I will take my papers, and I will lay them side by side. We're going to be working with the linen paper. It's a gray linen. And then I separate everything onto sides. So that one goes there, that one goes there, that one stays there, there, there. I think this is the shorter one, and the longer one. Yep. And that one goes there. That's 4 by 4. Okay, and I'll take my stickers off in a minute. And I work on one side at a time. So these are the photo square, or the mats. And you'll see, now I've already done all the cutting. I've already done all the cutting to save us some time. I'm assuming you know how to do the cutting, so I didn't want to waste your time. If you don't know how to do the cutting, please leave me a comment below and I will either make a new video that shows you the cutting, or in my very first videos that I did a year ago, I did the full workshop start to finish, cutting everything all at one time, so you can see kind of how it goes together with the cutting. But if you don't know how, and you want to know how, and you don't feel like going back and looking at the old videos, let me know and I'll make a video for you to show you how to do the cutting with the cutting guide. That is not a big deal. But for our purposes, I'm assuming that you know how to do the cutting, so I've already done it. And I don't know about you, but when I watch process videos, I want to see how it all comes together. I'm less concerned with the measurements as I am what it looks like when it's done. So I'm just dovetailing this piece. Y'all don't laugh at my dovetail skills because they suck. I know they suck. I have had masters try and show me how to dovetail. I still don't get it. And I'm going to dovetail this piece. See, that sucks. All right. Put you there. Put you there. Okay. And you go there. And you go there. Okay. Okay, so the dovetail piece is the light gray. The matte is the dark grays. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to do, oh, thank you. Story is all one sticker. These scrapbooking elves have decided that I am worthy of one sticker. Okay, so we're going to do, oh, that one, okay. There we go. The one thing that I really like about these photo placement squares, they are not cardstock. They are regular paper size, so they do not add any extra weight to your layout, which I really enjoy. Okay, so this memorable sticker is supposed to go on the photograph, but because I don't have my photograph, I'm going to set it below. And then we're going to use the blues. Okay, so that's side one, and let's move on to side two. Okay, and I'm going to quickly so you and me go together. Okay, I'm going to quickly put my photo squares down real fast. So that I don't forget to do that like I almost did the other side. That will just make it easier to get everything laid down if I do this first. This piece is part of the PML card that I just cut apart. So if you're looking for that, that's where it is. Okay. This is, which I didn't show you on the other side, this piece is just the zip strip that I cut off the paper. And they don't have to be even. That's it, needs to be this way. This is not one of those layouts where everything has to match up evenly on both sides. So we can just set these down. Okay, so this is what gave me the idea to spray it all down. I wanted this little piece here to sparkle. And because I wanted that to sparkle, I decided to spray everything. And again with remember, it's supposed to be kind of on the photo, but I don't have my photos yet, so I'm going to put it above. So this is Project 2 or Layout 2 of Chelsea Gardens. If you enjoyed this workshop or this layout that goes with this workshop and would like to get a kit of your own, I'm going to put the links down below, or you can go to myscraproom.net, go to the shopping tab, and from the shopping tab that will take you to my Close to My Heart shopping page, and then it's under kits. But again, I'm going to leave links below for you. I'm going to say the same thing I said about this on the last, or on Project 1. I love the soft colors with this layout. I love that it's a little bit more muted. We've been working with such bright colors lately that I'm kind of enjoying the muted look. I see my mother-in-law when I see these layouts, so I think I may be doing something for her, or if not for her, then with some photographs that she sends me of her tootling around in her garden. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this layout. I enjoyed my time with you. Until next time, bye-bye.